Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama. I hope you're all doing great today. I just feel so happy today because I was able to take some pictures as a few videos of my garden. And I want to bring them with me because I have been like for a month taking care of my apples in Villamor. So I'm not in Quezon City. And so I miss my plants and I hope to share them with you, how much I miss them. I came home to visit my garden and this is what I find. It's the butterfly vine that Wendy gifted me with for my birthday in January. And this one I got from the Plantitos of Davao. It's a variegated elephant ear. And thank you for their generosity because I only paid 400 for the JRS and it cost them 800 something. And I'm grateful, and this is my favorite. I had two which were already 3 feet and they both died. And I hope I remember the name later. These are my begonia collections. And calathea. They're still trying to get used to this new environment, and my epicea. And my leaf and bacchias. And I hope this gives me nice flowers this season. Or was the season finished already? This one is not thriving. I wonder why. Is it too sunny there? And my scandapsus need watering. And my new plant, which is a Selaginella, and look at that! Isn't that beautiful? It's so pretty. Thank you, Yu for this gift. And this one is the giant one. While the rest are just tiny leaves. And this is my Hookeriana, Arenga Hookeriana, my favorite also. And oops, this one died. Supposed to be nice color. And this one is Noni's plant. This one is from Antique. This one is a gift from Tess. It finally is able to thrive there. This is a native species as well. And so is this one. And I have an elephant ear from my dear friend Lori, with some variegation on the stem. And this one I think is from Ate Vicky when I went to visit her. These are from Noni's. Dracena, curly Dracena. Different backyard. And I forgot the name. Thriving, huh? Without any care. This one my gardener gave me. Berto. This one I got from Ate Vicky. These two I bought and they're dying. Oh my god. Should I bring them with me to Villamor to take care of? It's too much water. This This one is from Holland and I don't think it's thriving. It's a gift from Nieves, my kumare in Circle. This one is a gift from Tess. It's a variegated elephant ear. My new Hoya plant, which I haven't replanted yet. And my baby cobras here. Finally have one from Wendy. Oh, 3 of them. This one I got from Bimbo. And these are my new plants, the evergreen, which I have to still, my bauhinia, and another gift from Yuyo. Oh, I so love this, different bakya, and the elephant ear. And those are my plants that I wanted to take a video of because I shall be leaving again for Villamor and staying there for quite some time. And I miss my giant anthurium. Bye, garden. Until I see you again next week. Sorry I can take care of you better. In the next video that will follow this, maybe in a few days or so, I will also share with you my collection of plants in my roof garden. Travels, gardens, Ikinobo Ikebana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.